This is an antique domestic vibrator Treadle sewing machine head. It does not have a boss on the side for motors or hand cranks, so it has to be a treadle only. Serial number is 234097, and it dates from about 1910. These were also sold by Sears as the Franklins, and the whole machine is basically modeled after the Singer 27, with exact rip-offs of the bobbin winder, tension, the shuttle, bobbin size. It uses the side clamping feet, so it can use all basic low shank side clamping feet. And I'm just going to spin it by hand to show you how well it works. We've got 6 layers of denim that were already stitched once for photos used in the ad. And there you can see it's got an equal stitch on both sides.